So here's my Audi A4, and these are my new Canards. Here's one here, here's one on the other side, and my god, it is so hard to find Canards for this car. Apparently nobody makes it for these Audi A4s. Yeah, so finding Canards for my 2015 Audi A4 was really hard to do. I don't think anyone makes it. So the only other route was to get universal Canards, which are right here. This is the kit I got online. They're actually super cheap. They're not really designed for function. They're not going to work like a racing Canard. It's just more for looks, and I'm perfectly fine with that. So this kit came with 6 pieces, all in different sizes. It's gloss black. It's super flexible, so it'll mold onto any front bumper. I don't think I'll have any issues fitting these onto my Audi. And they're held on by super strong 3M double-sided tape. And I've actually had these on my 2012 C250 Mercedes, and they work perfectly fine and they lasted a really long time. However, for my Audi A4, I'm only going to install the 2 large ones. I think having all of these on the car is just overkill. I'm going to go the easy route and just install just these 2 large ones and call it a day. So next step are to get these on the car, and the install is super easy. So here's the Canard. I just need to find a place to put it. I think down here is too low. I think up here is just right. So I'm going to start by cleaning it up, just using some isopropyl alcohol, spraying it down, and just thoroughly wiping away all the dirt so it's super clean. Next, I'll peel the red film off the double-sided tape and stick the Canard right onto the car. And this is always good to do on a hot day. The Canard is definitely going to stick a lot better. And once this is fully stuck on, I just got to do the other side, and I'm all set to go. So another easy project. It really makes the car look a lot more aggressive. I'm really happy how it turned out. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, there's a few more things I need to do to the Audi A4 to black it out. That's gonna be for future videos, so I'll see you next time.